Hello, good morning student. So welcome back on my YouTube channel, that is Math Mentor. So today we have to study the graph of trigonometric function, very important concept of calculus, that is the branch of mathematics. In this video lecture we have to draw a graph of cot x by using the values of f, y to the corresponding values of x. So that y is equal to cot x, this is the equation of curve, that is y is equal to cot x. X takes the values this is the real number, x is angle measured in radian. So these are different values, different angles of x, minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. So y is cot x. Here we have to draw the curve cot x. So important, सबसे important क्या है? So y की values find करना. जैसे tan 0 0 होता है, वैसे cot 0 कितना होता है? What is cot 0? Cot 0 is cos 0 divided by sin 0. Value of cos 0 is 1, value of sin 0 is 0, 1 by 0, that is infinity. So cot 0 is not defined, so it is not defined means infinity. Cot pi by 4 is 1, cot pi by 2, cot pi by 2, cot pi by 2 is sin pi by 2 upon cos 0 is 1, so cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 upon sin pi by 2. 0 by 1 is 0, it's a 0. Now we have to find cot 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4. So it is 135 degrees. So 180 minus 45, 180 minus 45, that is 135 degree. So pi minus pi by 4, second quadrant. In second quadrant cot is negative, that is minus cot pi by 4. In second quadrant only sin and cos are positive, only sin and cosec are positive. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive. So that is pi minus theta, that is second quadrant, which is negative, it is minus 1. So this is a minus 1. So cot pi means what? Cot pi is cos pi divided by sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1 divided by sin pi is infinity, minus 1 upon infinity is minus infinity. Then we have to find cot 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi plus pi by 2, 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi. So this is the 270 degree, 270 degree means 180 plus 90. So 180 plus 90 is the third quadrant में cot तो positive होता है, cot pi by 2. cot pi by 2 कितना है? 0 है, it's a 0. No, it is a 3 pi by 2. मैंने 3 pi by 2 पहले निकाला, it is 0. But basically first we have to find cot 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 means 2 pi plus pi by 4. No, pi plus pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4. 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 4. 180 degree. In third quadrant cot is negative, cot is positive, cot pi by 4, it is 1. 7 pi by 4, cot 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 means 2 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 4. 2 pi minus theta, that is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cot is negative, so it is a minus 1. So this is minus 1. Okay, so cot 2 pi, cot of pi plus pi. The best is what? Cot 2 pi. इससे best है cot 2 pi. Cot 2 pi is equal to cos 2 pi divided by sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1. Sin 2 pi is 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity. So this is the values of cot x from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so we have to find out the negative value. So for negative value, cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So this becomes cot of minus pi by 4 is minus cot pi by 4. Cot of minus pi by 2 is minus cot pi by 2. Cot of minus 3 pi by 4, it is a plus 1, this is a plus infinity, minus 1, it is a 0, it is a +1, it is -infinity. So these are the some different values of y corresponding to different values of x. So by using these values we can draw the important graph of the function y is equal to cot x. So cot x means it is a cotangent of x. So for this we have to draw a coordinate system. This vertical line, it is a y-axis. Vertical line is y-axis. This horizontal line is x-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis. Intersection point of x and y-axis, that is 0. Okay. So here some interval we can write pi by 4. This is pi by 2. 3 pi by 4. Pi. 5 pi by 4. 3 pi by 2. 7 pi by 4. उसके बाद last is what? 2 pi. So these are the values of x on the right hand side, that is positive x axis. Okay. Now to the left hand side it is negative x axis, minus pi by 2, minus pi by 4 first, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 4, minus pi, minus 5 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 7 pi by 4, minus 2 pi. Got it? So here the maximum value is here plus infinity, तो यहाँ पर एक +1 लेंगे, +1, यहाँ पर -1. Okay, so this is the scale on the y-axis. Scale on the x-axis is this 45 degree का gap है, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270 degree. This is 315 and last is 360 degree. Okay, so from here cot 0 is not defined. It means this is not defined. This term is not defined. Okay, ये सब not defined. Cot pi by 4 is 1, +1. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हुआ यहाँ पर प्लस, यहाँ पर लेते हम, it is +1. ये भी थोड़ा ऊपर लेते यहाँ पर, -1. Okay, cot pi by 2 0. Cot 3 pi by 4 -1. Cot pi is not defined. Cot 5 pi by 4 +1. Cot 3 pi by 2 0. Cot 7 pi by 4 -1. 2 pi not defined. So this curve is not defined on this angle, that is 0, pi, 2 pi. It means obviously it is n pi. So n pi means here also cot is not defined. This also cot is not defined. So this is very important to understand the graph of cot x. Cot x is not defined on n pi, where n is integer. Okay, now minus pi by 4 it is a -1, minus pi by 2 it is 0, it is a +1. Got it? Now minus 5 pi by 4 it is -1, it is 0, it is +1. This is the graph of cot x. graph of cot x, y is equal to cot x. So some observation points here by using this curve. So this curve does not passing through the origin. Cot x is discontinuous at 0, pi, 2 pi, minus 2 pi. So here first point to always remember, curve does not passes through origin. Second point to remember here, this curve is discontinuous. Curve is discontinuous at n pi. N is integer. N pi means 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus 1 pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi. This curve is discontinuous. What is third point? That is domain. Domain and range. Range means the values of y. Here minus infinity to plus infinity, this is the largest interval. Minus infinity to plus infinity, that we called R. R is a set of real number. Close interval minus infinity to plus infinity, that is the set of real number. So range is R. Remember, range is R of the curve y is equal to cot x. What about the domain? So डोमेन में यहाँ पर फंक्शन नॉट डिफाइन है, माइनस 2 पाई, माइनस पाई, 0 पाई एंड so domain is also R except n pi such that n is integer. So this is the domain. This curve does not passing through the origin. This curve is a discontinuous curve at n pi, at pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi. So this is the some important point regarding the curve y is equal to cot x. So बहुत ही सिंपल है. So x की वैल्यू माइनस 2 पाई टू प्लस 2 पाई लो, नहीं तो थोड़ा और कम करो, माइनस पाई टू प्लस पाई भी किया तो भी चलेगा. यू कैन बेटर अंडरस्टैंड द कर्व y is equal to cot x. Okay, so this is the study of y is equal to cot x. So more two functions are remaining, that is secant and cosecant x, right? So stay tuned on this YouTube channel Math Mentor. We can take on the next video lecture. Thank you.